Hello students, welcome to my channel. আজিৰ ক্লাছটোত তোমালোকে পঢ়িবলৈ পাবা মাৰ্কেনচিয়াৰ ভেজিটেটিভ ৰিপ্ৰডাকশ্যনৰ বিষয়ে। মেইনলি মাৰ্কেনচিয়াত তিনিটা মেথড আছে ভেজিটেটিভ ৰিপ্ৰডাকশ্যনৰ। প্ৰথমটো হৈছে বাই প্ৰগ্ৰেছিভ ডেথ এণ্ড ডিকে অফ দ্য থেলাছ। So it is a common method which takes place by the unlimited growth of the branches and decay from the base. এইটো হৈছে এটা common method আৰু ইয়াত কি হয় ব্ৰাঞ্চ বিলাকৰ আনলিমিটেড গ্ৰোথ হ'ব আৰু তল ফালৰ পৰা বেছৰ পৰা লাহে লাহে থেলাছটো ডিকে হ'বলৈ ষ্টাৰ্ট কৰিব। When the decay of cells reaches dichotomy, the two lobes become separated from each other and each separated lobe forms independent plants. তাৰপিছত কি হয় সেই যেতিয়া ডিকেটো ডাইকটমিলৈকে পাবহি তেতিয়া থেলাছৰ দুইটা লোব ছেপাৰেটেড হ'ব এণ্ড প্ৰত্যেকটো ছেপাৰেটেড লোবে এটা এটা ইণ্ডিপেণ্ডেণ্ট প্লাণ্টছৰ ফৰ্ম কৰিব। Second to is by adventitious branches. Vegetative propagation is also known to take place by the development of adventitious branches from the ventral side of the thallus or even from the reproductive buds. এটা কি হৈছে adventitious branches মানে কিছুমান unusual branches সেইবিলাক branch develop হয় থেলাছৰ তল ফালৰ পৰা ventral surfaceৰ পৰা নহয় বা সিহঁতে reproductive budsৰ পৰাও develop হয় as seen in Markensia palmata species. Okay, and here branch bilak jete separate hobo they will develop into new plants. Then let's see the third one. Third to is ataitke very important and the most common type of vegetative reproduction in Merkensia, that is by gamy. Eta gamy to singular form ot ami ki boli kom gamma boli kom. That's why this is the most common method of vegetative propagation, which is by specialized asexual multicellular bodies known as gamy. Gotike gamy ba gamma mane ki these are asexual spatial multicellular bodies. They are born in large numbers in small receptacles called gamma cups present on the dorsal surface of the thallus in the midrib region. A gamy bila kot produce hobo, these gametes will be produced in large number inside some cup-like structures known as gamma cup. And a gamma cup bila kot thakibo, it will be present in the midrib region. A gamma cup is about 2 mm in diameter and 3 mm in height. It picture to enlarge kori dia hoise etu eta gamma cup. Okay, your diameter hobo around 2 mm or height hobo around 3 mm. Here is to margin hoy, margin to kenuka hobo pare, high line hoy, lobed hobo pare, spinous hobo pare ba entire hobo pare. Okay, tarpisot ami sao many small stalked gamy develop on the floor of the gamma cup. Gamma cupor jeto floor thakibo, flooror pa bahut stalked gamy kisuman produce hoy. Each gamma is vertically attached to the base of the gamma cup by a one-celled stalk. Protekto gamma cupot keneke attached to thakibo with the help of a stalk. The gamy are multicellular biconvex discoid bodies constricted at the middle. So a picture to sasun etu hise a single gamma. Your structure to kenuka hoy multicellular hoy, e biconvex hoy, discoid hoy aru constricted hoy. Sasun middle lot constricted hoy. So a constriction duta ki boli koise notch. Etia the two notches in the constriction possess a row of apical cells showing two growing points. A notch dutat apical cells thakibo aru he apical cells khini pray notun thallus shristi hobo. Most of the cells of the gamma contain chloroplast, but some superficial cells in either sides may be colorless containing oil bodies. Eta gamma mostly cells bilakot ki thake chloroplast thake kintu kisuman cellot oil thake which are known as oil cells. Some club-shaped mucilage hairs are present on the floor of the gamma cup. Gamma cupor jeto floor thake tat kisuman mucilage hairs thake and the mucilage secreted by these hairs imbibes water and the pressure thus generated causes the gamy to disseminate from the stalks. So jiblak mucilage hairs thakibo hiote mucilage produce koribo hone secrete koribo and he mucilage khine water imbibe koribo and tar pholat eta pressure create hoy ar he pressure or karone gamy bila gamma cupor pra sitiki jay. The detached gamma germinates after falling on a suitable substratum. Taisot gamma bilak je detached hogol hiote suitable substratum ot goi poribo and that hiote germinate koribo. Some colorless superficial cells larger than the neighboring cells are having dense and granular cytoplasm called rhizoidal cells. These cells on the lower face of the gamma develop rhizoids. Okay, so a gamma to sasun yate kisuman cells আছে known as rhizoid cells বা rhizodal cells and ইহঁতে rhizoids form কৰিব okay thallus যিবিলাক rhizoids থাকে সেইবোৰ form কৰিব and subsequently the apical cells present in the two notches grow to develop two thalli of new independent plants in opposite direction and subsequently এই দুইটা notchত যে apical cells বিলাক আছিলে সিহঁতে grow হৈ পেলাই opposite direction দুটা নতুন নতুন thallus দিব ইয়াতে এটা thallus formation হ'ব আৰু ইয়াতে এটা thallus formation হ'ব usually the gamma present on the male thallus produce male plants and those on the female thallus form female plants so male plants যিখিনি gamma থাকিব সিহঁতে male thallus produce কৰিব and female plants যিবিলাক gamma থাকিব সিহঁতে female plants produce কৰিব okay students so I hope যে তোমালোকে বুজি পাইছা in the next class we will see the sexual reproduction of Mertensia thank you very much